Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer website analytics from Google Analytics to GA4 easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin transferring your website analytics from Google Analytics to GA4, log into your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the admin panel located at the bottom left corner of the interface. In the admin panel, ensure you select the property that you want to migrate. Once selected, look for the GA4 Setup Assistant. Click on the GA4 Setup Assistant option. This will take you to a screen where you can create a new GA4 property. You will see an option to create property. Click on this button. Follow the prompts to set up your new GA4 property. Make sure to enter all required information accurately. Once the GA4 property is created, navigate to your new GA4 property. From the left sidebar, select Data Streams. Click on the Add Stream button and choose Web to start tracking web data. Enter your website's URL and stream name, then click Create Stream. You will see your web stream details, including the measurement ID. Copy the measurement ID for later use. Next, return to your original Google Analytics property. In the admin panel, look for the Data Import section. You'll need to set up data import in your GA4 property to start transferring historical data. Click on Data Import, and then select Create to define your dataset. Follow the prompts to set up the import process for website data. After completing the setup, check back to ensure the data is transferring smoothly. Finally, go to your GA4 property dashboard to view and analyze your transferred data. Ensure everything is functioning as intended in your new GA4 setup. This concludes the process of transferring your website analytics to GA4. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.